So now, when you get this kind of an X-ray in your examination, the first and most important thing to do is to identify the X-ray. So the first line which I will say will be that this is a lateral radiograph or a lateral X-ray of the elbow, showing the distal humerus, the humero-ulnar articulation, and the radius and the ulna. So you have localized which part of the body the X-ray is from. Now, the next thing that you will say is what is grossly visible, which is that I can see the humero-ulnar articulation is preserved and the elbow joint appears to be intact. So this is the second statement that you will make. Followed by that, you will go ahead and quote what you see to be abnormal. So I can see a fracture of the ulnar shaft or the ulnar diaphysis in the proximal 1/3 with an angulation which appears to be volar. Along with that, I can also see anterior displacement of the head of the radius, and therefore this lateral X-ray of the elbow is showing a Bado type 1 Monteggia fracture dislocation. This is how you answer this kind of a question.